Let's start step by step to install Office 365. Just open Google Chrome and paste link portal.office.com and press enter. I will share this link on video description. First, you can see the login window. Please put Office 365 email address which provided to Microsoft. After click Next, put the password here. After that, it will be requested to you, please change password. And then generate the new password as you can remind easily. Here you go. You can see the Office 365 window, where you can easily download application and manage cloud storage and other apps. For installing Office, click on Install App. It will download small setup Office 365 utility. You just click on this download file, it will automatically download and install Office 365 applications. Click Yes, so it can install all apps. During install the Office 365, I will check further specification of Office from Office Portal. If you click on Apps button, you can see how many apps supported with Office 365. For checking how many storages have with OneDrive, click on App, then click on OneDrive. Go to the top right screen and click on Setting, then OneDrive Setting. On the left screen, click on More Setting. A little bit drags down, then click on Storage Metrics. On the right side it shows here 1024 GB or 1 TB storage with this OneDrive account. For the checking, which device or computer is active for this Office 365 account, go to your View account on the top right side. In the left menu select Devices. Currently we are not active this account in any computer or laptop. That's why it's not showing here any device. If you are active it shows here Active Computer, where you can log out or manage easily this account. Now, we will back check our Office 365 application installation. It's near to done. After close this, open any Office app. Let's open Word. After open this, it show the activation window. Just put here Office email ID and password. It will automatically be activated. Thank you for watching and bear with us. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends circle.